Good morning, friends. This quick Vinyasa flow will wake up and invigorate your entire body, moving with the breath to come into the present moment, setting you up for your day. We'll begin class standing. Come and join me when you're ready in Tadasana mountain pose at the top of your mat. Take a deep breath in, circle your arms up, and exhale, lower them back down. Again, deep breath in. Exhale, lower your arms. Inhale, reach up, this time taking a side bend over to the left hand catching hold of the right wrist. And you can bump your hips over to the right a little bit if that helps you find the stretch along the right side of the body. And then switch the sides. So releasing that morning stiffness in the shoulders and the spine. Return to center, preparing for sun salutation A 2 times. Inhale, reach up, gaze lifts. Exhale, folding from the hips to low down. Inhale, flat back. And exhale, stepping back to plank, lower onto your belly for this first round. Inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in. And exhale, making your way into your first downward facing dog. Find lots of movement here. You can always keep the knees nice and bent as you begin to wake up through the backs of the legs. Tailbone lifts up, knuckles pressed down, fingers spread, and then bend your knees, look forward, step up. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up to stand, and then exhale, hands through prayer Tadasana. Again, reach on up as you breathe in. Exhale, lower to bow. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step it back, maybe chaturanga this time. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Nice deep breaths in your down dog. When you're ready, stepping up, inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise on up to stand, look up. And exhale, hands through prayer. Sun salutation B. Now, I like to press my fingertips into the hip creases as I sit back into chair, pushing the hips back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, maybe jumping back this time straight into chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing. From here, your right foot steps all the way forward, coming into warrior one, bending deeply through that right knee, gaze lifts. Exhale, lower down, step back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing. Left foot steps in between the hands, warrior one. Nice and stable with the legs. Lower it down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And exhale, downward facing dog. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale. And we won't complete our sun salutation B, but flow straight from here. On your next breath in, right leg lifts up to the sky, free leg dog. Keeping the right leg straight, but open up your right hip to the side. Turning your hip back down. Inhale here. And then exhale, tap your right knee to right tricep, diving through the upper back. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, right knee, right tricep. Try to get it as high up at the back of the arm as you can, finding connection. Inhale, three-legged dog. Take it back once more. Exhale, right knee, right tricep. Inhale, take it back, three-legged dog. Exhale, this time knee to nose just for a second, then step your right foot next to your right thumb, lower your hips into a runner's lunge, lift your heart, option to place blocks under your hands, creating space, allowing your hips a moment to sink down, opening it up. From here, extend your front leg, coming into a long pyramid, keeping hips pointing straight ahead, and more flow from here. Inhale, runner's lunge, exhale, long pyramid, folding over that straight leg. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. One more time. And float back, holding in your pyramid just for a moment. Rebend into your lunge and find an easy twist here. Right arm lifts up to the sky. And now cactus that right arm, opening up for your chest and shoulder. Re-extend your arm and sweep it forward as you turn to face the long edge of your mat for a wide leg forward fold, placing hands on your mat or to blocks in line with your feet. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold on down, releasing any tension from your neck, allowing gravity to take over. Weight is in the balls of your feet, so you might need to just slightly shift yourself forward. Inhale, lift up halfway and begin to take some deep lunges side to side. And next time you're bending into your left knee, turn to face the back of your mat, coming into a low lunge. Lower your back knee down. Reach on up and cactus your arms to open up through your chest, lifting your heart. Lower your hands to frame your front foot. And swing your left leg all the way back into a three-leg dog. And we're now ready for the second side, facing the back of your mat. Keeping that left leg up in the air and straight, but opening up your left hip. Return your hips to neutral. Inhale, lift that leg a bit higher. Exhale, left knee, left tricep, finding contact. Inhale, swinging the left leg back up to the sky. Exhale, finding contact, knee to elbow. Inhale, sweep that leg up. Seeing how high you can tap the back of the arm. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose this time, and then stepping forward, finding your way into your runner's lunge. And extend into your long pyramid, navigating your hips forward as you fold over that front leg. And we'll find our flow. Inhale, bend into your knee, runner's lunge. Exhale, long pyramid. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, taking the hips back. One more time. And just pausing in your long pyramid for a moment. And then rebend. Finding that easy twist, left arm reaches up. And then cactusing that left elbow. Turning your chest up, and then unwind, coming to turn to face the long edge of your mat for our wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, half lift, and then exhale, fold all the way down. Lift up halfway, and find those deep side lunges. Maybe hips are opening up a little bit more. All right, turn to face the front of your mat. Lower the back knee, lifting up into low lunge, finding cactus with the arms, opening up your chest. Upright your spine, lower your hands down, and then step all the way back into a downward facing dog. From this down dog, rock forward into plank and then lower all the way onto your belly and then lift up into Sphinx on your forearms. Let's stretch into those quads for half Bakasana. Bend your right knee, reach back to catch hold of the foot and press it down towards your right hip. You can grab a yoga strap or a rolled up towel if your foot isn't in reaching distance. Recenter your chest forward. Okay, gently release your foot and find that stretch on the second side. And release. Press yourself into a nice wide knee child's pose, taking a moment to rest. And when you're ready, coming up to a seat, Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up, palms touch, gaze lifts, and exhale, lower your hands to your heart, bowing forward to close our time together. Thanks as always for choosing to practice with me. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Namaste.